This is a simple and delicious recipe for taugeh or bean sprouts, stir-fried with salted fish and firm tofu or taukwa. This is 1 packet of taugeh, half a taukwa cut into cubes, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 small piece of salted fish, and 1 chilli cut into thin strips. We start by frying the taukwa until brown. We are now frying the salted fish. When fragrant, add garlic, add the chili, and add the taugeh. We have removed the heads and roots of the taugeh here. It is perfectly alright to cook taugeh without plucking, but plucking them will improve the presentation of the dish as well as the texture. It may be tedious and time consuming, but certainly worth the time spent. Add 2 tablespoons of water 1 minute into the frying. And add the taukwa. Adding water will allow the salt from the salted fish to be released into the water. With this, I do not have to add any other seasoning. However, if you want a stronger taste, we recommend that you can add some salt and sugar. We do not recommend adding soy sauce because this will make the taugeh look darker and not so white. Fry for another minute or so and this is ready. Do not overcook the taugeh. They should be just cooked, white and crunchy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.